talking about those microphones that are mass market mics. And of course, we couldn't start any of these conversations without talking about our good friend, the Blue Yeti USB microphone. What exactly is so crazy about this? Why are there 19,000 five-star reviews for the Blue Yeti USB microphone on Amazon? Let's talk about all of the features of this mic. I've made about 600 videos with this particular Blue Yeti USB mic. I've traveled to conferences all over the United States and around the world. This thing, it's dinged up and it still works. And why is this the most popular USB mic in the entire world? Let's talk about it right now. Let me pull it up on the screen for you and we'll get into the details here. So the Blue Yeti USB mic is so popular because it's so easy to use, essentially. By the way, there are links in the description of the YouTube and Facebook versions of this below if you want to pick up any of this equipment. But this mic is so incredibly easy to use, and it has a bunch of features on board that make it easier for creators. So this mute button right here on the front of the mic makes it so that you can mute really easily. It's got a volume knob on it as well that allows you to plug in headphones directly through the headphone jack in the bottom of the microphone to plug in your headphones to it, so you can monitor the microphone while listening to yourself, muting at the press of a button. And it comes with a nice little stand that lets it just sit on your desk. So this microphone is just a great all-arounder, and it is just a really solid purchase, and it has been a solid recommendation for anybody that wants like a 5 out of 10. I'll link it in chat right now if you guys aren't familiar with it already. It's like a 5 out of 10 in terms of audio quality. It's like the baseline level of quality in terms of microphones for YouTubers and creators is the Blue Yeti USB mic. Here, those are the pros. And it's got different pickup patterns. Like you can do cardioid pickup pattern, you can do figure 8, which you can talk to somebody right in front of you. It'll pick up what's in front of you and what's behind you. It's even got Omni mode using the buttons on the back here. Let me see if they have an image showing that to you. It's got an Omni mode on the back, and it's also got a built-in gain control. It's really solid. But let me just talk about the disadvantages of this USB mic. By the way, you can just plug it into your computer and it just works. Let me talk about the disadvantages of this USB mic though. It is a condenser mic. It is a condenser mic. And so a condenser microphone is a microphone that is going to pick up a lot of room noise around you. So this microphone I'm talking to you on, I don't use a condenser mic anymore. New YouTubers generally buy condenser mics like this because they sound nice and bright, they sound nice and airy, and they pick up all of the audio and it sounds super crystal clear, right? But unfortunately, there's a major downside of that where it will pick up the clickety clacks of your keyboard, it'll pick up the room noise in your room because it is so highly sensitive. And the pickup pattern on this, think of it as like a wide shotgun blast pickup pattern off the front of this microphone. And it picks up everything in your entire room. So it's really, really difficult to make this microphone or any condenser microphone sound fantastic unless you're going to do something like I've done here in my studio and soundproof the whole dang thing and really dampen down those echoes and really focus on acoustic quality. That's one of the disadvantages of the Blue Yeti. If you have a nice quiet space where you can where you don't have a lot of echo and you don't have a lot of background noise, then a Blue Yeti USB microphone can be a solid pickup for you. Anyway, link in the description below. I've done videos on my channel with audio tests. It is the minimum level of quality in terms of microphones that you'll need as a streamer and as a YouTuber. This is like baseline in terms of quality. Cool?